Hey there, art lovers! Are you feeling stressed out, overwhelmed, or just need a moment to unwind? Well, grab your colored pencils because I've got the perfect solution for you. Welcome to the peaceful world of coloring, a simple yet incredibly effective way to relax and let go of your worries. Today we're going to color a cute giraffe together. Trust me, it's easier than you think. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a complete beginner, this tutorial is designed to help you create something beautiful while finding your zen. First things first, let's talk about the problem. It's so easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of life, leaving us feeling frazzled and disconnected. We need moments of peace, time to reconnect with ourselves and our creativity. That's where our cute giraffe comes in. So let's start our journey. Grab your favorite set of colored pencils and a printout of a simple giraffe outline. Don't worry if you don't have one. You can easily find free templates online. Ready? Great! Start by choosing a light shade for the giraffe's body. Gently fill in the large areas with smooth, even strokes. Remember, there's no rush. Take your time and enjoy the process. Next, let's add some spots. Pick a slightly darker shade and begin coloring in the giraffe's distinctive patches. This is where you can get creative. Feel free to experiment with different colors and patterns. The goal is to make this giraffe uniquely yours. As you color, notice how your mind starts to quiet down. The repetitive motion of coloring can be incredibly soothing, helping to lower stress and boost your mood. Let the gentle background music enhance your relaxation, creating a calming atmosphere. And there you have it, a beautifully colored giraffe and hopefully a more relaxed you. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about enjoying the journey and finding peace in the process. If you loved this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more relaxing coloring sessions. Thanks for joining me and happy coloring.